Yes, these are the fidget spinners. Of course, I got one from Alvin's. And yeah, these are the fidget spinners. They've been viral all over YouTube. I'm not kidding. So yeah, we're gonna be, look at this. Oh, God. So I only tried this like a couple times. I'm not like really, master at it. I drop it a lot. I can do it really fast. It might look slow, but like it's just because when it goes really fast, it looks slow. I'm not a pro at it. I'm okay at it, but so we went to SeaWorld today. It was actually fun. So we got to swim with the dolphins. I'm in Florida, Panama City Beach Splash Resort. Oh yeah, so these are the fidget spinners. Welcome to YouTube, guys. I'm talking to the fidget spinners. Welcome to the YouTube fidget spinners. These are fidget spinners. And yeah, this is a fidget spinner right here. A lot of people in this house got them. I'm using them. Bye.